Last thing we'll talk about. You know, the average price of a used car in this country has skyrocketed to $30,000. But looking at your inventory, it's going to be higher than that here, I've got a feeling. Okay? What percentage of your customers finance with you? Using?
It's about 90%.
What's the finance penetration here? Anybody know?
74, 75.
Okay.
So, would it be fair to say 75% of the people are making a decision, oftentimes based on the amount of the monthly payment?
Yes.
I mean, who here's a payment buyer? Me too.
Not all the
All right.
time, but yeah, I guess so.
So, cars are more expensive than they've ever been. Interest rates are creeping up.
Yes, they are.
So payments are, well, the average, according to Edmunds.com, the average car payment, and this was a couple of months ago, the used car payment.
What was it, 450 to 500?
Oh, no, it was.
Oh, shut up?
It's higher than that, yeah.
Whoa. 600?
Yeah, you got it.
So I don't do payments, man. I don't do no confidence.
What kind of car you got?
It was $588
Okay.
for used cars in June. What percentage of the people that are buying cars these days are leaving with the highest car payment they've ever had in their entire life?
Nah, that's true.
Most of them.
Yeah.
Most of them.
Yeah.
Okay?